Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Rajkumar Pandit, Faculty of Computer Science in JSS Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City. Today, this video is prepared for the students of class 9. Today's topic is values and data types. In this topic, we have already discussed about the different types of data types used in the Java program. Today we have discussed about some topic tokens. What is tokens? Any word used in the program is called token. It can be classified as keyword, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. What is keyword? Keyword is the predefined word used in the programming, such as we use the end, while, if, class, etc. These are called the keyword. Means the word used by the system developer is called the keyword. Second one is identifier. Identifier. What is identifier? Identifier used by the operator, the programmers. Such as when we create programs, we use the marks of students. Find the percentage value, total, quantity, etc. So these words are defined by the programmer. So it is called the identifier. And this one is the end, while, if. These are the defined by the system programmer. It's called the keyword. There are some rules to define the keyword. The first letter of the keyword is in capital letter or the alphabets. Mainly the alphabets. First letter must be alphabets, a space, a special character, a special symbol. Dash, not a lot, but underscore may be used. So this is the rules to declare the identifiers in the program. When we define the identifiers, we use some values. Suppose marks equals to 60. The marks equals to 60 is the where 60 is the values, and these values are called the identifiers. Sorry, literals. These are called the literals. These are of many types, such as integer literals. Means if the identifiers store the integer value, then it is called the integer literal. If the identifier store the character value, then it is called the character literal. So we can use the float literal, double literal, string literal, etc. This one is the operator. Different types of operators used in the Java program for different symbols. Such as this symbol, plus symbol, is used to sum two numbers or more than two numbers. Subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular. These are also called the arithmetic operators. And this one is the punctuator. Punctuator means brackets, big brackets, small brackets, semicolon. The terminators is called the punctuators. So we can define find the value identifier. So we can use 1, 2, 3. Marks, student name. Has amount 20. F name. So find the valid or invalid. This is the valid or invalid. This one is the invalid. Invalid identifier. Why it is called invalid? The first letter is not in alphabets. So this one is the invalid. Hence we can say 1, 2, 3 as the invalid identifiers because it should not start with the alphabets. Second one is the RAM 1, 2, 3. This one is the valid identifier. Marks as the value. Age, 3 age is the invalid. Age is the invalid due to first letter is the number. Second one is student name. This is also invalid due to presence of space. Amount, has amount. This is also invalid. This is the symbol. We cannot use the symbol. Quantity is the value. Father's name is invalid due to presence of gas. So we can find the valid or invalid identifiers. Next one is data type. There are two types of data types used in the Java. First one is primitive data type and second one is non-primitive. Similar to primitive data type is used by the system developer. Who developed this? Means developed by the language developer. Primitive data type. And non-primitive data type used by the programmer. This one is defined by the language developer and this one is defined by the programmer. Primitive data type are also classified as numeric and non-numeric. B uses two types of data, numeric data and non-numeric data. So it is primitive data type are classified in two categories, numeric and non-numeric. So numeric is also further classified as without decimals and the with decimals. Without decimals means it cannot carry the decimals value. The first one is byte, second one is short, int and long. The maximum capacity of byte is 1 byte, means byte identifiers can store the 1 byte memory space in the computer memory. Short store the 2 bytes, int require 4 bytes and long require 8 bytes. Similarly, with decimals is two types, float data types and double data types. Float data types carry 4 byte data and double carry 8 byte of data. And non-numeric is also classified as character and boolean. Character data types use the 2 byte and boolean store only the value true and false and its memory size is not. And next one is non-primitive data type, means data type used created by the programmer. So class and array as the example of non-primitive data type. start a program. Write a program to print your details. Your details. In this program, we uses the public class about me. Where about name is the class name. And class name start with a reserved word class. Means a class should be declared with the help of a reserved word is class. And this class is by default public in nature. Means that program is in public in nature. That means this program can be used in the entire project. Next one is open parenthesis and close parenthesis. This one is the a body of the program. This one is the body of the program. Body of the class. Body of the class. And start public static void main string argument. Each and every program must be started with the function main, and the first letter of the string is in capital letter and all things is in the small letters. So the open bracket and close bracket indicate the body of the program, the body of the main function, body of the main function. In this program, we have declared roll number. Roll number is in integer in nature because we can store the roll number without decimal value. So it is in integer in nature. We also use different types of data types such as byte, short, int, and long. In this program, we uses the string data. So roll number is the identifier. Int is the keyword. Int is the keyword. So this one is also a identifier. Class is the keyword. And other is this value is integer value, so it is called the integer literal. We cannot use any program without the main function. So this one is the body of the main function. The string class name is 9. This one is the value is in alphabets, so uses the string literals. In another string literal, we use the name Srinivas Ramanujan. This is the name of the students, and we print the value with the help of system.out.println. So first letter of system is in capital letter. Roll number is enclosed in the double quotes brackets. Class is also in double quotes brackets, and this value is the string and this value is the integers. So we used to combine using the plus operator. So roll number plus roll number, class name, the class name. The first letter of the identifier is a small letter and other word of the first letter is in capital letter. So it uses also in the capital letter in this program. And the output is output of the program is system.out.println roll number colon 1729, and due to println statement change the output in the another line. So next line is class name 9 name, Sri Nivasa Rama. So this is the output of the program. You should try to all the programs with the examples available in your book and try to solve the answer question. Okay, thank you.